Soil investigation is an essential step in any construction project, as it helps engineers and architects determine the suitability of the soil for various types of structures. In the case of Jaewar Noida, conducting a thorough soil investigation becomes even more crucial due to the unique geological conditions of the area. Jaewar Noida is known for its diverse soil composition, ranging from clay to sandy soils, which can significantly impact the stability and load-bearing capacity of structures. Therefore, a comprehensive soil investigation in Jaewar Noida is imperative to ensure the safety and durability of any construction project in the area. The primary objective of a soil investigation in Jaewar Noida is to gather data about the physical properties and behavior of the soil at the site. This data helps engineers in designing and constructing foundations that can withstand the specific soil conditions prevalent in the area. The process typically involves drilling boreholes at different locations across the site and collecting soil samples at various depths. These samples are then analyzed in a laboratory to determine their moisture content, density, permeability, shear strength, and other relevant properties. By analyzing this data, engineers can assess the suitability of the soil for different types of foundations, such as shallow foundations or deep pile foundations. In Jaewar Noida, there are several factors that make soil investigation even more critical. Expansive soils have a high shrink-swell potential, which means they can undergo significant volume changes with changes in moisture content. It allows for the identification of weak or loose soils that may be prone to liquefaction and enables engineers to implement appropriate ground improvement techniques, such as compaction or stabilization methods. Any construction project must begin with a soil investigation because it enables engineers and architects to assess the soil's appropriateness for various types of structures. Due to the distinctive geological features of the area, conducting a thorough soil research is even more important in the case of Jaewar Noida. The different soil types of Jaewar Noida, which range from clay to sandy soils, are well known for having an impact on the stability and load-bearing capability of buildings. To ensure the security and longevity of any construction project in the area, a thorough soil research in Jaewar Noida is essential. Gathering information about the behavior and physical characteristics of the soil at the site is the main goal of a soil study in Jaewar Noida. A vital phase of every construction project is soil investigation, which enables engineers and architects to assess the soil's compatibility for various types of structures. Due to the peculiar geological features of the area, it is especially important in the case of Jaewar Noida to do a complete soil research. Jaewar Noida is renowned for having a variety of soil types, from clay to sandy soils, which can have a big impact on a building's stability and ability to support loads. The safety and longevity of any construction